Hello friends, today we'll learn about geometry and measurement, a beginner's guide. Welcome to Geometry and Measurement, a beginner's guide, where brain blocks of space, time, and structure come alive. Journey through the secrets of angles, the mysteries of triangles, and the wonder of volume area. A simple line segment to move intricate three figures. The kind of tools to measure work like never before. Points, lines, and planes. Points. A point that marks a precise location and has no side on the dimension. A point is anything that is at a specific location. It can be at any location. Lines. A line says infinity in both directions. It connects two points and has length but no width. Planes. No, they're not airplanes. A plane is a flat surface that says infinitely. It has length and width but no thickness. Types of angles. Acute angle measures less than 9 degrees. It looks sharp and narrow. Right angle measures exactly 9 degrees. It forms a perfect corner like a square. Obtuse angle measures between 90 and 180 degrees. It looks wide and open. Straight angle measures exactly 180 degrees. It forms a straight line. Triangles and their properties. Equilateral triangle. All three sides and angles are equal, creating a perfectly balanced shape. Isosceles triangle features two sides of equal length, and the two angles opposite those sides, and also scalene triangles. All sides are different lengths, and consequently, all angles have different radius. Angles and property. The sum of the interior angles of a triangle always adds up to 180 degrees. Quadrilaterals and polygons. These are polygons with exactly 4 quadrilaterals. Those are polygons with exactly 4 sides. Common types include rectangles, squares, rhombuses, and trapezoids. Each has its unique property related to its size and angles. Polygon. A polygon is a closed two-dimensional shape made up of straight line segments. These segments are called sides, and they meet a point of vertices. Complexity. The number of sides in a polygon determines the naming complexity. More sides mean more angles and a greater variety of shapes. Circles and parts of circle. Center. These central points, which always form on the circle, are equidistant. Radius. The distance from center to any point on the circle's edge. Circumference. The total distance around the outside edge of the circle. Center. The central point from which all points on the circle are equidistant. Radius. The distance from center to any point on the circle's edge. Circumference. The total distance around the outside edge of the circle. Diameter. A line segment passing the center and connecting two points on the circle, twice the radius. Pi. approximately 3.14159 is a fundamental constant that measures the ratio of circumference to a diameter. Ding 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 ding. Area and perimeter. Total distance around the outside edge of a two-dimensional shape. Once you got, you measure the length of all sides. Area, the amount of surface enclosed with a two-dimensional shape. Tilting a fork, you calculate the space to be covered. Each geometric shape has specific formulas to calculate its area and perimeter. Understanding these concepts is key to managing two-dimensional space. Formula is surface area. Volume. Measure the amount of three-dimensional space an object occupies. How much it can hold. Surface area. Measure the total area of the external surfaces of a three-dimensional object. Demand the amount of wrapping paper needed paper for These concepts are essential for understanding the properties of three-dimensional objects. For example, crystals, geometric structures. Real-world applications, architecture and design. Buildings, bridges, and and geometry principles for stability and aesthetics. Navigation and mapping. GPS systems. Maths and astronomy use geometry to mark courses and locate positions. Everyday tasks, from cooking and singing to DIY, price-accurate measurements are crucial for successful outcomes. Art and technology, artistic compositions, computer graphics, and screen displays are all built on geometry foundations. Geometry and measurement are not just academic subjects; they are practical tools that help us understand, interact, and shape the world around us every day. Key takeaways and next steps. Geometry and measurements are fundamental tools. They help understand and shape our physical world effectively. Foundational concepts. Master points, lines, angles, and various shapes. Practical application. Explore real-world uses in architecture, design, and navigation. Empower your future. Continue to explore geometry. It unlocks new perspectives and possibilities. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.